Okay, so if you guys have a dryer that is not starting, so for mine, I'd put this on, like, you know, this part, and I could hear like a little noise, but when I'd hit start, it wasn't doing anything. So I had to watch a few videos, and what you have to do, make sure you unplug it first before you do this. So unplug it. I already took the back off, obviously, because I was testing on a bunch of different things. So, but this is what you need to do. Take the back off. You have to take this back panel off right here. This part. Just undo all the screws. Keep them in a little cup or something on top of your dryer so you don't lose them all. Take off the back panel. Make sure you have it unplugged and shit, though, first. Sorry. Excuse my language. So anyways, what you'll do is there's this little part right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's with the two green wires attached to it. Right here. That little white piece. It's called a thermal fuse. You're going to make sure it's unplugged. Take those pull those two little green wires off. You can use some like needle nose pliers to pull them off if you can't get them out. But make sure it's unplugged first. Take those two little green wires, pull those wires out. They'll come off of that little part. And then put them together. Like put the two pieces together. Put some electrical tape around them. And then after you do that, plug it back in. And then hit start and see if that starts it. You know, and if it does, immediately open up the dryer door to stop it. Because I guess it can cause a fire, and it's just a temporary thing to figure it out, I guess. I don't know. So anyway, so if that's the case, if it does that after putting those two wires together, you know that that's what it is. You have to get a new thermal fuse. So that's what I did. So then I looked online. So this is, you can get them at like Walmart. This one was $16. I just waited till, I just went to like a local appliance part store here, and I got that part for $16. So this is what it actually looks like. This little piece right here, a thermal fuse. So then I just put the new part back on there. You know, put the two little green wires, slipped them back on there. Put it back on. There's one screw that holds it in place. Just like that. See that little screw? I just put that back on there. And it worked. And I hit start and that worked. Easy fix. So hopefully all you girls out there that don't have any guys to help you out, hopefully this helps you guys. So, and then just put all your stuff back together. So cool. Hope that helps somebody. Ciao.